The great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go, Go, Thomas! Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Oh no, the challengers are out of cog pieces on this track. Racing on the other tracks is the Thomas versus Rebecca. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Perfect. 2 laps to go. The other racer has taken the lead. You've taken the lead. Smashing. You're in the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. You've taken the lead. Smashing. Let's try again. You can do it. You could also go back and choose another engine. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Smashing. 2 laps to go. Perfect. The other racer has taken the lead. You've taken the lead. You're in the lead. Let's try again. You can do